All right, guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. I'm super excited. We are coming down to the last little pieces on this bike. You see I got the tank over there and the seat ready to go. I got to do a little bit cleaning up here on the front end. I got the headlights sitting right over there. I got to just kind of neaten up these wires so I can get them inside the headlight housing. I'm also going to shorten the fuse box here. I have another one, a short one sitting right over there. So I'm going to put that one on. It's got the mini fuses on it and try to relocate it somewhere nice. I have a little issue right here I got to deal with the wires because they're hanging down and they're getting pinched from the steering stop. So I got to work on that up there. Everything else on here is good. I've already kind of laid the tank and seat up here to make sure everything fit good. It looks freaking awesome, guys. You're going to love this. I can't wait to get it done. I got everything kind of looking good up here. The choke. I just got these things I got to kind of get into the headlight housing. That's what I'm working on today. I got to finish the exhaust. So with the headlight housing on, the wires tucked in there, and the exhaust on, throw the tank back on. Should be able to hit the button and fire it up, guys. Let's get this thing together. And these are the baffles that were in it. So I'm just going to stick them back in, see how it is. All right, so I got the headlight mounted up. I got everything tucked in behind it. Light works. Everything is looking good. Horns on, that works. Right now I'm changing the oil and the filter. Just did that. I'm not going to put the tank and seat on there yet because that'll be in the next video when we take it for a ride. But I'm about to put some gas in it, some coolant, fill it up with oil, and we're about to get rocking on this thing. I painted up these here for the tank mount so they don't rust. Painted up the steering stop. So the only one I'm worried about is some of this wiring up here getting snagged up in the steering stop. So I got to pay attention to that, make sure that works out fine. Yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Let me get some gas, oil, and coolant in it. It's crazy. This bike hasn't started in, I don't know, 2 years, 2.5. Hasn't really run in probably over 5 years. And what I'm worried about now is if I have enough charge in the battery. Because it's underneath there in that hidden box. It's going to be a pain. I'm going to have to drop it and put a charging wire on it. But for now, let's get this thing gassed up and oiled up. Alright, so the first sign is good. It is filled with gasoline and it's not leaking. Carbs are ready to go. Alright, guys, I'm about to start it. I got this bike in January of 2018, and right now it is March of 2020. I got the tank and seat right behind where you guys are looking from right now, and that's going to go on next in the next video. Right now, let's see what it does. A little bit of drippage out of that left bowl. All right, guys, so that's it. It is up and running. I was watching the temperature gauge, make sure that was coming up. That works. I was watching the fan, make sure the fan came on. That came on. I had a little bit of drip out of this bowl, out of the left cylinder here, this carburetor, but it stopped when it started running, and it hasn't dripped again. So sometimes just from sitting, that'll happen. Everything else is good. I got the vent line on it. All right, so I got the vent here for the breather for the case. This is the 82, so it comes off of here. The older ones, it comes off the case tops up here, but the cylinder tops. But on this one, it comes in the back of the case. I got the coolant here, and I got that hose. The coolant hose is running here. It runs all the way down to the stock bottle, but I don't have a bottle down there. I just have the hose running. You can see the hose right there, just running down into the ground. I'm not worried about that. It's just like a regular dirt bike or something. I'm not going to have a problem with that. As long as the temperature stays good, you know, I'm not going to be overheating or anything. So next thing to do now, guys, is put the tank on, put the seat on, and I'm going to put rear brakes on it. I have them here. So those are the next couple things I'm doing. The next video, this thing is going to be riding. I'm going to take it for a ride, and you guys will get a look at it all together, ready to go, and out on the road. I can't wait, guys. I'm super excited. Thanks for hanging in there for this long. It is ready to go. Next video, it will be running. Guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope you're as excited as I am. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, guys, we're going to be riding this Tepco Cycle Repair.